Hello, I'm Reverend James, just passing through while getting ready for the 2023 Hoodoo Heritage Festival. Wait, you haven't heard about the festival? How long have you been under here? This year I'll be teaching a workshop on consecrating altar iconography. Here, come on. Dust yourself off. Grab one of the statues, paintings, plaques, or printouts of a spirit and follow me. Let's see what you'll be learning.
You may have asked yourself, how do I prepare my item to be a vessel for that deity or being? Perhaps you've experienced something spiritual with other holy or divine objects, but you're not getting that same energy with your items and want to know how to wake it up, so to speak. Then get your tickets to the 2023 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival now. I'll cover how to prepare and consecrate icons that are two-dimensional, like a photograph, or three-dimensional, like a statue, whether they're solid or hollow, big or small. You know, there are many customs around the world and many different procedures for preparing holy objects. Some of the customs we'll be exploring come from Hispanic, Indian, African, Tibetan, and other East Asian traditions. While I won't be revealing initiatory secrets of any tradition, you will learn various techniques that you can utilize in your personal practice to create a closer connection with your spirits. So join me and many other great presenters at the 2023 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, June 10th and 11th. Get your tickets now to ensure you get your goodie box, valued at over $100, containing everything you need to participate in every workshop. I'm Reverend James. I'll see you there.
We'll see you there.